In conclusion, the examples we listen to remind us that communication may present many challenges for cancer survivors. You can overcome challenges by using good communication skills, being assertive, using I messages, active listening, expressing your feelings, and matching verbal and nonverbal communication. As a final note, please refer to the booklet that came with the Cancer Survival Toolbox for a list of nationwide resources specifically for cancer survivors. Two organizations that you may want to contact are the National Coalition for Cancer Survivorship, which has free booklets on remaining hopeful after a cancer diagnosis, advocating for yourself and others, working with your healthcare team to make sure your needs are met, navigating insurance issues, and understanding your employment rights. NCCS can also provide you with information on cancer survivorship issues. Their number is 1-888-650-9127 or visit www.canceradvocacy.org, www.canceradvocacy.org. The counseling line from Cancer Care at 1-800-813-HOPE for one-on-one counseling, telephone support groups, and referral to other referral services. Their number again is 1-800-813-HOPE or 1-800-813-4673. This is the end of the Cancer Survival Toolbox program entitled Communicating. You may also want to listen to other Cancer Survival Toolbox programs such as Finding Information, Making Decisions, and First Steps for the Newly Diagnosed.